Thank you for coming on into the live and sharing your essence with me in this eternal moment of which we all share an inextricable and inexorable part. Thank you for doing your part, for coming on in each and every day, and we'll do the same without wasting a single second of your time. Bada bing, bada boom, we go into the charts. So it looks like we retraced a little bit down into that fair value gap after the stream last night. Let's go ahead and log into the chat to see who's up and about this morning for you guys, evening my time. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. Shout out to everyone here. We went up to a previous week's high and then rejected off that high and down into the fair value gap. Do we continue into higher high territory? There is a fair value gap up at the 593 region. I don't know what's in store any more than anyone else. Hey, what's up, Dingo? But let's go ahead and take a look. Let's first put on the regular momentum master here, getting overbought on the daily time frame. But the weekly is in a good position. Actually, let me just keep light on for now. Keep the lights on. And then we turn these off really quick and try to get some sort of semblance of order. So we've been having these 786 bounce, 786 bounce. We're going to just delete those because those were just remnants of the past. And let's just take this entire daily thing down to its level here. And we basically came up to, oops. Nearly the 786, so coming slightly higher would be that zone. The 886 would be at that 589 fair value gap, 593 to be exact. Let's go a little bit more into everything here. Just get everything lined up properly, shall we? We'll just keep it at a deep one for now. Boop, 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 boom. So this one was recovered. That was a massive 1 hour drop there. And if we turn on our oscillators now, you will see that the nuke yet again locking in on those higher time frames, playing out, boom, to a fair degree. Hopefully anyone out there, someone out there caught that nice little dip. I was as fast asleep as I had an early morning going on. Let's go ahead and keep that heads up display going. What is this little bit of happiness of an oscillator? This is momentummaster.info. Link in the description for more. For that features sauce, there's stochastic array. You can go down and toggle everything and read about it. Particularly trend clouds, stochastic array baselines. These things come into prominence quite often. This is what the nukes are coming into that drop. Let's go ahead and dip a little bit lower into the time frames here. So we had a little bit of a double bottom, and we induced some shorts there and ripped back up. Let's go see what the ATOS dragged in. Point of control at 330 yet again, and the VWAP down at 290, value area low at 263, value area high 342. Let's go see what type of contracts were induced here. We had negative 3K on the sell side. They ripped into it as they took it to the upside here. You can kind of see that they had higher low, lower low on the session delta, so you had this delta divergence leading into that with more sell side, negative 3K and sell side to eat into. Yet again, the shorts squeezed to the upside here because they believed it needed to retrace lower. It doesn't need to do anything if you provide the liquidity for it to do the opposite on, which is they do. And that's where it ate into those contracts, now coming into the 1K of sell side liquidity now, back to that level. And over here we were back and we had a even Steven level of liquidity before making that drop down here. Interesting how the delta works. Induce one side, rip it to the opposite. "23 minutes till the open. We have no idea where price is going. We're going to stay coachable. Booyah! Who else do I have on the live with me? I got 2 viewers. Thank you for showing up. That 5-minute cloud bounce for the win there, right there, I see. Does it all the time, comes up, kisses the cloud, boom. I think it's happening right now for Bitcoin too, if you go into Bitcoin really quick. We were talking about that cloud bounce idea. I think it was happening on the hourly, if I'm not mistaken. Cloud and kiss off the cloud. possibly into these liquidity pools. So for Run for Profit Friday, are we heading to the upside yet again for a stab at the highs? A, B, C, and D wave possibly taking us higher. So the bull super trend level holding here at that fair value gap recovery range. We'll clear that out. It was taken. Boop. Boop. Bing, bing, bing. Steady trend to the upside on that 6-hour chart, just doing its thing. It is Friday. Let's see if anyone is going to hop into our chat. That was a really clean cloud bounce on the 5-minute there. All right, time to go into the pools here. Actually, let's first mark off the hour of power and take a look at the any news inbound news. So this pattern's been kind of the one that plays with the bullish nature. They get it to rip, induce a lot of shorts, and then they rip it up. Same thing here, they ripped it down, then they're going to possibly rip it up. They did this last Friday. 20 minutes until the open. Let's go see what the news has got for in store. Prelim UOM consumer sentiment. What does the UOM stand for? Consumer Sentiment Index, University of Michigan, Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis. Okay. Coming into that hour power will be some red news, and that's about it. Consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. It's a mighty thick cloud there on the 30-second, just straight upside. Ooh. Starting to create some bearish divergence here leading into the open. Haven't quite created the indecision on the 4-minute, but it's starting to get there. are we going into a fair value gap over on this region? We're just basically coming back to the previous range zone. Let's go into the Okay, so we go ahead and remove this really quick, and I'm going to reload that. Just make sure everything's on MNQ. Okay, so we came up to this previous high region, starting to clear that, so getting a little bit of a pullback to that 275 region, settlement line at 315 for the day, previous settlement at 380 that we could come back to. Clear double bottom on this that we could pull back to. Go ahead and do something really quick. I just want to pull a fib on this entire impulse. Getting that bearish divergence starting to play out a little bit, leading into the open here. Coming back to that thick cloud, which has yet to taper. Hey, what's up, Rainier? How's it going? I'm mighty tired today. I don't know why, it's just the week catching up to me, I guess. I had a meeting this morning, so I was kind of busy. Projecting off the trend dot, perhaps. It's really lame what they did with the Optima when I updated it. It's like, oh, you were letting people use it. It didn't have premium. Oh, well, let's fix that for you. If I had known that that's what they would have done, I would have never updated it again, just let it slip under the radar. Bounce off the channel average here on the 30-second, which is the trend dot here on the 1 minute. 12 minutes for the open. I'm gonna charge my phone real quick. %. It's just basically drifting at this point. There's not really any. It's drifting off the short liquidity here. Like, you just keep getting like 88 contracts of sells here, and they're like, okay, 81, okay, and they just drift up into it. We didn't really have any viewers yesterday, so we were working on some ATM strategies, just playing around on the sim at some point, trying to work out a decent micro, like a more breathable adaptive stop loss. We'll just try something here. This is just a sim anyway, I think. Yeah, we are on the sim. Cool. Just putting that there for later. Nine minutes. By the way, I'm just on a sim right now, just for the record. I'm just testing the ATM strategy to get it in my brain again. When I switch to a side thing, I will be trying to connect up the... But we're getting indecision here, so I think we could possibly pull back down to an equilibrium zone. So... pull back to the SMA, or at least the super trend level. All right, mighty tired. Ugh. Ripping that cloud to the downside. 4 time frames overbought and breaking the trend dot here. I'll just treat it like it's a real trade anyway. adaptive. Baseline's crossing down. Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on?
Not much. I'm tired as all get out today.
I feel ya. Just getting out of bed.
Must be nice to not have to have super obligations all the time.
Not bad. It's not bad. Oh, what in the world do we got? Well, looks a little send party by the look of it, huh?
Looks like a rinse and repeat of that news from last Friday where it just it dumped and then it was it trapped all the shorts. They had 3,000 in Delta sell side and then they just ripped into it. They had the imbalance of people just shorting that drop thinking it's going to retrace further. It went into a fair value gap or something and then they just said, okay, you want to give us 3,000 contracts free? Okay, and then now we're back to 1,000 imbalance in sell side. So it's the same sellers just fueling the upside move kind of deal.
And it looks the part. There's a whole lot going on over the top here.
I was saying it was probably going to pull back a little bit. There's a little bit of bearish divergence and just go generate more sell side leading into that open or whatever, and then possibly continue it off the 50 SMA on the 16 block or the settlement line or so. There's a bunch of zones where it could come back to and just rip.
I'm here for it.
And so we were looking at it fading on that 30-second cloud, and now it's coming back down to the 1 minute. And then the indecision on the 4 minute Heikin Ashi now crossed down on the baselines, just starting to rip.
Oh yeah.
Got 3 in a runner here. It's just a I'm testing out a new ATM I was working on yesterday, so I'm getting my eyeballs acclimated to the feeling of it, and then I'm gonna run it live in a bit.
Very good. Yeah, it's been a pretty good week, man. I've actually not been doing a lot of trading. I just kind of hit these big ones in the morning and then dead.
That's smart. Don't want to give it back.
It's been great. Hit a 72 pointer yesterday morning. See ya.
Damn.
Pretty good. Kind of getting used to holding those positions.
Are you using that 786 idea?
I mean, that thing on the mornings, it just keeps hitting. I just see and I'm oh, there it is. Might as well send it again. It's that one little structure from that little tutorial sheet, and I'm oh my god, this thing just keeps on hitting. I guess, Jay, it didn't go all the way back to it, but it was oh, whatever, this is close enough, let's go.
That's funny. You're doing it with a couple minis and then you just peel one off at one point.
Yeah, I usually do I either do one or two. A lot of the time I do two. I peel off the first one at 40 and then just kick my stop to break even on the second one, and if the second one goes on a mission, then I ride it out. But I've seen it kind of hit the upper targets, the extension targets enough where I'm a little more comfortable hanging on to them, even if it starts to go for a ride. I actually might try and send an options trade this morning too. I haven't done that in a while.
That's cool. Last Friday you were on fire. Everything you were saying was
Yeah, it got a little weird last Friday. It got pretty weird. That was.
I see Subi and Dingo in here too. What's up, Subi?
Hey.
How's it going?
Oh shit.
Good, man. How are you?
Good. Tired, but good.
Hear you. I'm tired too.
We got about a minute and some change here.
I don't really know what to. I don't have like a defined setup in front of me right now, and I'm like, I don't know what to do yet. You know, man, I'm looking at all this stuff over the top right now, and I've been pretty accurate with hitting it, but I'm gonna have to let this thing set up for me probably.
I mean, taking it right off the open is kind of like not the best idea anyway, you know.
Yeah. Oh my god, I don't remember if it was yesterday or the day before. I think it was the day before. But I opened one before the open and held it all the way through it. I was just like, this is it. This is the setup. And dude, I got put through the washing machine before it played out.
Two days ago, like 2 or 3 days ago, and the day after that. Oh, here we go. We're open. I think no, 12 seconds. But yeah, 2 or 3 days ago, it basically like played right off the cloud and didn't look back. I was like, damn. And it looks like it's doing that right now. Right off the cloud on the 1 minute, like, oh shit. It could be going. Looks like it's getting a little frisky here. Bounce off the cloud. Oh yeah. Like Monday was choppy in the open, and then after the 2 days after that, it was just like one directional. Okay, so we're at break even on the session now. They just took back those 1,000 contracts at sell side. They could go engineer some more if they want. Oh wow, that ripped like. Let's do them on those like choppy ones. Boom, boom. Getting some bearish divergence on the Optima, slightly. Bearish divergence, but there's not really follow through just yet. Ripping it up. What flavor's in your thing at the moment?
I have blueberry lemon freeze.
Lemon freeze.
One day I'll quit the nicotine. One day. As I so tell myself often.
30 years.
I had like a permanent cough even with the vape stuff. Otherwise I would have just kept doing the vape thing too. Point of control at 330. Value area high 362, which we rejected off of. VWAP at 300 and value area low at 270. Looks like the bearish divergence is winning. Got those crystals on the 32nd, which crystallized in stone.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, I'll buy one back. Oh, no, 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 come for me.
Brrrt.
14 is your 3 a.m. candle.
What is?
It's a level of 314.
Ah.
Go, baby, go, baby, go.
Back at the settlement line for the day. Acceleration to the downside. Negative 488 contracts of sell side imbalance.
Ooh, here we go, here we go, here we go. That's a whole number. I should be closing here. It's gonna close it for me.
Yep, the VWAP is there too. At 300. It's incrementally rising to it.
That balances the market. Here.
I'm out.
Pick up.
Yummy.
That'll do.
Du-du-du-du-du. Boom. 212 sell side peeled off there.
Go.
Yep. Your wish is my command, master.
Go, baby, go.
Point of control once again at 330. If it rejects off it, then it could be C wave down. I don't know. Boom. It just keeps ripping.
We're in a fresh one here. Come on. Go.
Booyah. That's 100 ticks right there.
Beautiful thing. Okay, there's 50s. Let's see. Let's be ambitious here. Let's go for the 60s. Being greedy, I'm going for like 200 ticks, but I'm stopped out at about 100. So if we don't go get it, this is still a big winner. Ooh, come on. I'm out.
Yep.
I don't think I should be out. I'm out. Just took the winner.
No one ever complained getting paid.
Oh, man. Oh, I'm about to.
That was a nice little rip off of the super trend on the 4 minute and the cloud. Didn't even make it to the equilibrium. It was just like boop, right off that super trend.
That was a healthy one right there. I wonder. All right, let me get rid of all my drawings. Put some. Oh, I'm too late. Damn. That wasn't really my bag anyway. Yeah, it kind of was actually. Ugh, whatever. That's fine. I won't be salty about that. That was a big trade. Surprise! I'm getting like ruined by this. Like I'm hitting like 30-point trades, and I'm like, could have done better.
You got that like dopamine like banger bias thing going.
Yeah, it's a problem.
You get addicted to that like surge feeling.
The banger bias is real.
If you hit them consistently, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just when you like get 100 ticks and give all 100 ticks back because you're starting to have a theory that's too big for its own britches, you know?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I mean, it was nice with that last one because it kind of went rocketing over 100 ticks. So I was able to put a stop in there. Ooh, wow. Oh, Sergi shorted ES and 12 points on ES. That hurts. What the fuck, dude?
It like surged up, you mean, while you shorted?
Sergi shorted ES.
Ah.
It pumped up 12 points on him. That's gonna leave a mark. Yeah.
What is 1 point in ES? I don't really trade it. Like
$50. Those points hit different.
Oh shit! Snap.
Those points hit hard.
Ouch. You said 20?
12.
12.
It's like 2.5 times.
That's
NQ,
like $600,
so
right?
Oh yeah. It's like a 30-point move. Yeah, he got he took the flip side of what I took in gains. That's gonna leave a mark.
He basically paid you. I mean, and not so many, like same asset, but
Oh yeah. Yeah. the evil mirror, evil twin.
I was testing this new ATM yesterday on the sim, and then like every time it would hit my stop, I would reverse, and then I was like profitable just by, I wasn't even looking for entries. I was like, okay, it hits my stop, I reverse, and then it just like and then it ends up like somehow being profitable.
Let's go. Here we go again.
Yeah.
Here we go. Come on. And I'm gonna get stopped out, I think. Maybe not. Cool, a whole lot cooler if you didn't.
Be a lot cooler if you did.
That's coming for me. You don't have to do that though. You can just keep going down and it'd be fine.
It just went to like positive 300 delta to negative 300 delta. It's just like seek and destroy the delta.
Wow, my stop just got one ticked. There it is. I'm out. Okay, that was cool. Take it. Let's see, is there something? Oh. Oh no, am I late? Here we go. Got a little horsey.
Yep, I did too. Granted, I'm
Nice.
just testing out stuff.
Let's see if this can finish the job here. Yeah, that was perfect. I just need you. I'll just let this one cook a little bit. This is kind of a freebie. I got into this like a horse, so
What's
I
up?
don't want to treat it too seriously.
I didn't know Effin Book watched, so he said he watches frequently. I was like, whoa, that's pretty cool.
Man, I go way back with him to like way back to the other guy.
Does he trade
way back.
futures and stuff?
He should if he's not. Oh, I just got knocked out.
Yeah,
I
I've
don't
never
know if I
chatted.
should have allowed that. 314 is, yeah, that was a perfect tap right there. Yeah.
And then it just
Let's
reverse
see.
it when it hits my stop, and then it just fucking pays the other way. It's hilarious, this ATM. It's like,
That's. Oh, are you like putting like extra contracts into the stop?
yeah, basically. Or I'm testing out this, like the way I want to maximize the burst, you know, like to the potential where it fatigues, and then if I was going to have hopium in that, then it was wrong to think that, and then yeah, I'm basically just testing out like how to follow, have the trailing stop loss be more adaptive, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Rather than follow at one tick, like follow at every 8 ticks or something like that, and change in an adaptive way as you go down or up. And I'm trying to perfect that maximization point so that when it does hit your trailing stop, that means it's going the other way, so you could feasibly just reverse. And it's pretty accurate so far. It's just like,
Awesome. Very mad scientist. I like it.
It's already like I mean, I'm not even like having a feeling about it. I'm just hitting reverse and it's like up like $100. It's kind of like a bot, but you can set, there's an advanced ATM strategy where you can say when something happens, reverse. So, you know, at some point if I get it to a point manually where it's good, then I can do that, where you just can run an experiment, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Turn it up.
Looks like it's going up right now. It just keeps bouncing off that 4-minute cloud, but the cloud is kind of janky looking.
Turn it up. There you go.
But 60 ticks is not janky. 70.
Here we go.
314 was kind of your opening range gap, too.
Oh, good luck. Good looking out, Bob. Here we go. We're here to party now.
Holding that super trend on the 50.
Come to get me. No, don't come get me. Let this thing cook. Already kind of green, so it would be nice to try and just hit the home run here if it's available to me. I really feel like we should be revisiting this upper 60s. But we're protected just in case we don't.
Oh, man.
Give me a sec here. I'm gonna probably iron this. Let's see, where are we doing?
Is that gonna work?
Well, 10 o'clock. We got 9 minutes.
Oh, there's like a news play in 10 minutes.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
do I want to be playing this with live rounds? I don't know. Okay. That's why it's kind of getting to that like break-even point, I guess.
Yeah, it's just sitting there.
Do you play the 8-bar Renko or what? What's your Renko bar period that's your of choice?
I have the 8 up. I have the 8 in a 30-second trading view.
And you don't look at anything else?
Not really. No, I have the attention span of a plastic cup, so.
Big plastic cup, though.
The plastic cup stays on the table, so it's pretty vigilant.
It's true. It's true.
It knows not to transmute itself through the table.
Sometimes I transmute myself through the table, though. So I would have to think of something that I'm more like.
Mercury?
Like maybe the
You're like Mercury.
attention's a goldfish.
Yeah, goldfish forgets it's everything every 30 seconds.
And sometimes I wish.
Kind of holding the cloud though on the 30 second and the 1 minute.
Must be news on them. They're not moving this.
Yeah, they're getting in that poised position to do something though. It could be one of those like 100-point like surges or drops or whatever.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah. I am tumor sediment.
University of
red.
Michigan something or other.
Yeah, and it is a red folder, so.
It feels like a public event in like a video game where it's like, ooh, the boss is coming from the mountains, like he's gonna drop extra loot. It's just like, let's go raid him. Like it doesn't seem real, like, oh, news play. Alright, well, it looks like it's... And do you like guys arm like a bot, like a long and short bot or something? And then just whatever.
I'm freehanding. I'm thinking about turning the bot on in 5 minutes, or for the news play though. This thing has done good for me catching these plays.
And you just set it in whatever direction, and then whatever direction it goes, you take it.
Yep. Alright, I kind of just went for a ride. Let's make it work. I mean, let's make it worth the while now.
We're currently above the point of control. I don't know what that means, but above the 50, negative 400 in sell side.
Alright, here we go. Now we're cooking.
Earth flat.
No,
Who's saying that? Earth
$1 million question. Will it come get me at 69? Or it knocks me out? I gotta immortalize this real quick. There we go. Come on. Get her done. Get her done. Just 10 more points, that's all. I think I'm gonna get knocked out.
I mean, it looks like it's going for that clearing of the range for now, anyway. Value high is at 360.
To kill that wick. We-
I want to arm this thing really badly. Let's go for that wick. Yeah, you should do that. Maybe you'll be coy about it. I'm gonna arm up some options. It's SPX. What do you got for me, SPX? I'll find a cheap SPX contract. That one cook. Alright, there's the 10 o'clock reversal. It's gonna be 10 o'clock. This looks pretty toppy up here. Let's get rid of this. This thing's never stopped. It's never let a looking structure stop it from doing a thing though. It feels like it, it's just gonna do it. Alright, news in 30.
You're at negative 500 for the session in sell side. It's eating the sell side right now, gathering up a wine. A curveball.
And the pitch.
Back at the cloud. Ooh. Equilibrium for the previous impulse at 297.
Let's go! Thank you, OBS. Oh! Couldn't move my TP fast enough. Alright. That was a big one. And, alright, you're disarmed. Man, that was pretty cool. And I wouldn't dare long that, would I? No, that'd be absurd. Just kidding, I longed it. Go. Hey, got it. Oh no, it TV'd too fast. That was the Tino move. That big old nasty candle. I was like, well, we gotta trade back into that. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, now what? This thing's messy. I can't really make a lot out of it.
Yeah,
I'm just doing things.
It's kind of stuck in a box.
Yeah.
Not making a good pattern.
Oops. Now we got a negative 1,000 on the sell side generated.
I wouldn't long this again, would I?
Bounce off that equilibrium. Or are we going to double bottom or go C wave down into the golden pocket region? Who knows? Whew. This one is officially the first one I'm taking. Okay, stopped out. Let's make sure it's flat. Okay. Okay. Little by little. Back at that 0.5 equilibrium for the previous surge up impulse. Do we deep retrace down, or do we bounce? To bounce or retrace? That is the question.
Hey, I'll take bounce. Not that I'm biased at all. It says we will not bounce yet. We will retrace. Oh, you're just gonna take me for a ride, huh?
Technically at the VWAP again.
Oh.
We'll give this one a crack.
In terms of
Kind of a little double bottom. Oop. Not working. Didn't work.
went to the 618 at 286.
Made it stick.
$2,000 sell side imbalance for the session. Okay, the runner can do its thing now. I'm good. Lovely.
Oh, yeah.
Booch. The whole number drama is real.
Super real.
Still 2,000 sell side. They got induced. It seems too shallow to reverse. I mean, maybe I'm just being like, you know, over expecting of a deeper retrace, but it seems like it would go deeper into like, you know, 706 or 786 level or something. Or not. I had a happy accident that triggered me short, and I'm getting paid right now. But
It's the best kind of accidents.
Okay.
but I'm just about to flatten it. Or not. Maybe I don't have to.
Earth flat. All right.
Hmm? Huh? Oh. The barcode is real.
So real.
Back at the value area low at 286-ish is where we bounced off of between the VWAP at 308 and value area low.
I feel like Bitcoin.
Huh?
And feels like Bitcoin, he says.
Bouncing around with this equilibrium line. It's funny.
Mm-hmm. It's like one of those like slow grind down kind of things, you know.
They're making a roundy. Oh, we'll see though.
Oh,
cat threw up. My wife was like, "Hey, the cat threw up. Good luck cleaning
Oh,
it
no.
after you're done." As they shed their like summer fur, you know, they like lick it up and cough it up, you know.
Ooh, the hairballs.
Now it gets that acceleration, kind of. Or not. Just keep taking it to the face. There we go. Finally, that acceleration.
Ooh,
I was
there's
looking
something.
for. Booyah. And that stopped me out with a weird wick from somewhere. What? We went down to the 706. 786 is at 270, by the way.
I got a line at 271. I needed to clear it.
Those random lines.
Need to kill that line.
It rejected off that 30-second cloud pretty cleanly. That's where I shorted it.
There we go.
There we go. There we go. Nice. I re-entered.
That'll do.
Okay. Acceleration. And we're back up. We're at that 786 level. Even below now, to a daily level.
Do what you want.
265. I'll just close it there for Alright. 786. Let's see what that gives. If anything, take it. So it's working right through. Took back about 473 sell side there.
Fatality.
Alright, I'll try it. No, I'm not digging it. Is it the 786? What's the 786 gonna do? Not gonna lie, I longed it.
I'm in there. Got a couple leftovers. Let's see.
Oh, and it paid. Yay!
Yep, here we go.
Woohoo!
Turn up.
He got sketched for a second there. I was like, oh man.
Oh yeah. This kind of felt no man's land.
I mean, I already peeled off two and moved it up, so the stop is basically break even. The trade paid for itself at least, and it's still going. Now it's break even for real with only profit in store. Booyah.
Let this cook.
Yep. Now we'll just test the trailing stop loss formula and see if it does its thing. And that's a 786 play. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot that mofo and look at it later. Weird, why is my alerts not coming through today? That's weird. Okay, so we took back, it was still negative 2K sell side for the session. Took back 310 buy side with that surge up there after 370 sell side the previous 2 minutes. Oop, and it just stopped me out. We're good for the day. I mean, I can stop there really. But we're just gonna keep going carefully. And they just pulled back into 141 sell side like gobbledygook.
Yeah, the gobbledygook.
Rejection off that 30-second cloud, which it's been kind of rejecting ever since it dropped. So it's just kind of like could come back for that double tap of the 786. Who knows? I'm not really biased either way right now. I'm flat. mean, it's just been a steady, like, up, down, but progressively down.
Yeah, for sure.
Back to that 786 for that double tap. I don't know. I'm not seeing any divergence though. Divergence. Where's that divergence?
Here we go.
Okay, I re-entered.
There you go.
Just in the nick of time. Boom. Instant 20 ticks. Love it.
That'll do.
Can it continue though, or is it gonna just fade here? Hey, don't come back, man. What you doing? He came back and stopped the runner. It was a break even then. Rude. That's El Hadi's gif in the chat is just what the it's the Danny DeVito gif.
Oh wow.
You see that?
Oh wow. It's,
that was unexpected. What is that from?
No, it's scary though.
It just keeps rejecting off that 30-second cloud. Just like rejection, rejection, rejection. Like third time's a charm? I don't know.
Let's get weird.
I guess it is third time's a charm because I just entered again. So see, come on. Fake conviction, please. Don't come back. Rip it. Hi, cat. What's up? I'm gonna clean up your vomit later, okay? Okay, there we go.
There we go. That's something. Uh-oh. Coming back for me.
Yep.
Maybe I'll let this one cook.
It's like they can't let it. They just keep coming back for the stops, and then they keep bringing it back up. That was my third victory, but you know, always hitting that runaround, you know.
That's chop suey.
That did
It's coming
shift
from my
the
runner,
highs,
too.
like, you know, on that last 30-second candle. It did go up above that cloud. We're now hitting the 1 minute cloud and rejecting off that for the first time in a while. Indecision on the 4 minute Heiking, which closes in 30 seconds. So this could be like a little market shift through. Could be. Seems to be that time. Just see if it gets a little bit of a pullback confirmation first. Get those like minis dudes out or something. What's up, cat? Meow, meow, meow.
Damn, everyone's got a trading cap at me.
Trading cat.
Yeah, Bob's gonna let me hear it for that. Tell me, he's like, go get a damn cat, would you?
Yeah, just go get one from rescue. You know?
Yeah, there's there's one in Boulder pretty close by.
The rescue ones are really needy. They're kind of like dogs, you know. They appreciate that humans help them or something. There's something different.
Yeah, I'm in for the cause.
Cause like
I'm a friend of the felines.
is it going to continue? Is this like a what is this? Yeah, it could be.
Let's see if this thing, if it might have just locked in a higher low there.
Yep, I'm here for it. Or not, if it just rips back in my face like it's doing right now. Come on. Nice, nice-oo.
So,
Or not. I'm just gonna look at the momentum here, just to keep my mind off it. I mean, the 4 minute is giving you that indecision for the last 4 minutes, and now you're getting another 1 minute 47 for the next indecision possibility. Don't really have that too right now, actually. I re-entered anyway.
hey, I'm going for a ride. I got a little runner in.
Come on, don't just do it again. You did enough for that.
Doing too much Nasdaq, come on. Love it. Could learn to love it though.
That was 272 sell side induced in that last dip there, so that was the oof. Took out the 3. Stop. G. Williker.
Golly gee willikers.
You choose me? It's negating that now. Idea.
Fenty Friday.
Fenty Friday.
Oh, the
3K.
interns and their Fenties.
3K in sell side induced. There we go. Come on. There we go. Keep going.
Fenty Friday. What the hell?
It's super slow.
It is totally Fenty Friday right now.
You're getting a money bag on the 32nd and the diamond on the Optima for a bullish divergence.
Oh, hello.
Bullish divergence for the win.
The divergent?
Les divergences. Et le baguette.
Yo no comprendo que decías que mejor en español. Pero no sé qué dice a la baguette en español. Creo que es el baguette. Porque cuando yo voy a México, yo compro las baguettes en los restaurantes allá. I bought baguettes in Mexico, ironically. It's the only time I've ever had them. They were delicious.
Baguettes are good. I like bagels.
Ooh, me too. I know, like, Bob and those Northeast types, they got the special bagels.
It's me stop and profit. Son of a gun. Then you're gonna go up higher. It's like those times where it's like you have a stop, but then you're like want to re-enter because your theory is like right. You know what I mean? Like, what do you do in that case? You know, do you let the stop?
Yeah, this is a sticky one. I'm kind of loose with my stop right now. I'm kind of let this thing create a little distance, but it could just come get me and I could lose money, which is looking very possible. We'll see.
It's like an ATM you trust, or in your theory you trust. It's like the ATM's there to protect you from your dumb ego. You know what I mean?
Yes. Yeah, I'm about to get knocked out.
Still rejecting off the price channel on the 1 minute. It's just like not done. The 1 minute cloud is starting to thin and round out though, like ever so slight. It's probably gonna do it after the hourly close or something. It's like creating like a wick on the 15, and then it's gonna go create like another wick on the second 15-minute candle, and then kind of like create that double divergence play. And then lead into the hourly close with the wick rejection, maybe? I don't know. I mean, you pretty much negated that deep retrace zone, though. Like, you expended all of the retrace areas down to the 886, so the next level is the entire freaking impulse.
It'd be a very Nasdaq-like thing to do. I don't know, it seems to like it. It does like its retracements, though. That's been a bit of a boon for me. Oh. There's a head and shoulders there if you're into that kind of thing. Makes me want to long it. It's definitely trying to do a little something here.
So the little consolidation on the 16 bar that happened at like 250 is somewhere it can go really back all the way to the lows, and it's just been like an inversion. Like fake out from like last week Friday, just like fucking like do the opposite of what it did on last Friday. Who knows? So this entire impulse is dead. Thank God I didn't just trust my theory though. The fucking ATM. It's one of those things.
Ironically, the head and shoulders is head and shoulders-ing.
You're creating another bullish divergence on the 32nd though. Let's hope I don't regret that. No, I'm already starting to. Can it go a little bit? No.
Oh, I see what's going on.
Accelerating, I'm gonna close this shit. Oh, that was a real instant.
Rude boy. Ooh. $17.
4,000 sell side taken.
For the prior session low.
Mm-hmm.
60.
Going for the wick. Got it.
They get the wick.
Yep.
Yes.
Are you just gonna carry on like that? Ooh wee.
Ow.
A little head and shoulders. It's like head and shoulder, you're into that kind of thing, and it's like, well, I am.
Previous 2 minutes took out 507, and this is taking out currently 400 in sell side here for a total of 4,000, and we're accelerating down into a fair value gap at 153 perhaps. Who knows? Five minutes till the hour closes.
Well, I gotta go run some errands, gents. I'm gonna tap out.
All right, Subi, thanks for
Right
stopping in, bro.
Yeah,
And
I'll
we'll-
jump out, grab some lunch, always or breakfast, lunch, whatever I'm about to do. Food,
See you guys.
You're gonna
always a
step out
pleasure, and we shall do
All
it
right.
again.
too? Yeah. All right. Thanks.
All right, later.
Yep. Peace. Okay, let's see what this little bit of cross-up happiness can give or not. Struggling for sure as we approach the end of that hourly close in about 47 seconds. "17 seconds for the hourly to close here. That was a mighty nice liquidity grab, 4,000 in sell side imbalance for the session delta. Hourly is open. Cross up of the 1 minute. I'd like to see it continue, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Nope. We'll just see how this trade plays out and then bid you guys adieu out in the YouTube land. It's going down. I'm not going to take a full stop here. I can't do it. No, thank you. Please go up a little bit. No, you're not going to do it. No bounce. Let's go see what the contracts dragged in. That 136 sell side is another short pool that it should go into some buy side at least, but could possibly accelerate down to the fair value gap. That could be a point of interest that it's going back to. The fair value gap is down at, let's see, the 157 region. It is starting to shift, micro shift down here. You are getting some bullish divergence on the oscillator here. Lower low, higher low on the oscillator. Can you get some sort of bounce, the cross up of the baselines, or is this just a dollar cost inducement, dollar cost averaging inducement pattern to liquidate the long some more? What's up, cat? What is up? Coming back to the trend dot. First time it hit, it rejected. Can you get some acceleration into that on the 30-second? At this point, it would just be bringing me back to some sort of break even here. What's up, cat? Not really digging this. I'm going to cut it soon. Okay. Can this bullish divergence do something? The disparity between the money flow and the RSI suggests fatigue on this push up here, unless it can bring the RSI up to that money flow level, which is not as common as the opposite of the money coming down to the RSI. But you are getting some bullish divergence, ever slight. I might just consider closing it for whatever it is right now. Reject of that trend dot. Yeah, not feeling it. Inducing some buy side here, so it's going to go back lower. Shit, hit me out. Well, guys, that's it for me for today. Thank you for coming on into the live and sharing your essence with me in this eternal moment of which we all share an inextricable and inexorable part. Thank you for doing your part, for coming on in each and every day, and we'll do the same, bringing the fire, the action, the precision, all that fun stuff, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.